Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 18 battery draining very fast issue. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 and your iPhone is draining battery very fast, then here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to use a single app at a time on your iPhone to save battery life. So guys, as you can see this, if the useless apps are running in the background, you have to simply close all those apps, and after this you have to simply work on an app which you are using right now. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, as you can see this, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the battery draining issue is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to open general section, and from here scroll it below, and you have to tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN on your device, you have to simply disconnect it. So guys, do this, and after this you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and reset all settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your iPhone battery draining issue will also be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.